Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's Wednesday. I'm currently on the way to meet Alexis at the mall because we're gonna get bestie rings. I found the perfect bow rings for us from Pandora. Just wait until you see them. They're so freaking cute. I just don't know what hand I want to wear it on. I feel like if I wear it on my left hand, it'll clash too much with my wedding ring. So I think I should get it for my right hand. I'm really excited because we've never gotten any bestie jewelry before, so this is the first thing we're getting. We have like a lot of matching things, but nothing like this, so this is just gonna solidify our friendship that much more. Not that we need it, don't get it twisted, but it's just gonna be so cute because every time I look down at it, I'm gonna think of her and our friendship. I did leg day earlier this morning with my husband, and then I had a Pilates class, so I've been super productive, but I've been go, go, go. I haven't really had a chance to edit anything or be productive outside of just like getting ready. I did my nails. They're the same nail stickers that I was wearing the last time. This one broke, so it's a little bit shorter, but it's gonna grow back so fast. And they're all gonna be the same length again, so it's fine. I wanted to wash my hair today, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow because I have 2 new products from Color Wow that I need to make content with. It's gonna be my first time trying them out, and I've heard good things, so I'm really excited. I have what feels like a million products that I need to create TikTok shop videos for. It's getting kind of stressful. This happens sometimes where they just pile up, but it's pretty easy. I just need to bang them out. Made myself a coffee. This is my first caffeine of the day. Oh my god, we got here at the same time. She just parked right next to me. Look how sexy and professional she looks. Damn, girl. Did you sell any houses today?
Yesterday.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
Today is more like business stuff.
Ooh, hot.
What size is that one?
7.5.
Oh, it's too big for her. Maybe I'll put it on this finger. If it's big or small.
They didn't have my size, so she just got hers. Back home now, I ordered my ring. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get here, but I'm assuming maybe a week or so. Right now, I'm about to unbox my Beis luggage. I'm really excited about this because I haven't told you guys yet, but my husband and I have a Euro trip planned in June. It is right around the corner. It's coming so fast. We're going to Paris, Rome, and then the Amalfi Coast. I'm so freaking excited. I really can't believe it. Like, it doesn't feel real. I've been wanting to go to Paris for so long. I took French in high school and just fell in love. My husband and I have been trying to take lessons on Duolingo. I've been doing French and he's been doing Italian. It's super cute. We're gonna be traveling for a good 2 weeks and I wanna pack light, so I got a carry-on, of course. I knew I didn't want to check a bag, so I got the pink carry-on. I'm about to film a TikTok unboxing it. What can I say? I gave into the hype, okay? And June is both of our birthdays, so I was just like, oh, it's my birthday present to myself. This trip alone is more than a birthday present as it is. I just keep finding reasons to spoil myself. They just dropped a new pink color and it wasn't really my vibe, so I got the light Atlas pink that you'll see in a second. I had a choice between the matte or glossy. Glossy was sold out, which made it easier for me, so I just went with the matte. I wish she was a light pink. I don't know how I feel about the color. Oopsa! We just got to the pickleball courts. It is poppin'. Update on the Beis luggage. I think I'm gonna return it, you guys, because the color is not it. I don't know if it's because it's matte or what, but it did not look that shade online, even when I clicked on the matte pink. So that's false advertising in my opinion. I'm upset that I have to return it because that's gonna cost me $10. It's all adding up. I thought I was gonna keep it and maybe it would have to grow on me, but like my husband said, if I don't love it, then I should return it, especially since it's over $200. What do you think about the color?
Sucks.
It's like a brown pink, right? It's like a doo-doo pink. Not cute. 2 more spots, perfect. Happy Thursday. I had a Pilates class at 7 a.m. and then my husband and I went for a warm yoga class at 11:30. So I'm just super freaking sore. I feel like I need to rest and recover because yesterday I did leg day, Pilates, and pickleball, and that was the first time I've ever done all three like that. So I've just been super active, which is great. But I'm so freaking sore, it hurts to sit down. So I need to take it easy. I need to listen to my body. I just finished filming some content. I washed my hair using these 2 products from Color Wow. Those are the only 2 things I have in my hair right now, and my curls have kinked up extra. Like, my curls are usually not this curly, so I love this product. I'm about to add some oil because it's starting to feel a little dry. It's probably like 5% wet still. My hair just takes forever to dry, but I love how this stuff made my hair feel. It defined the curls on all of my shorter pieces. It says the estimated time to assemble this is 45 minutes. We'll see how long this takes me. I feel like it's gonna take me at least an hour. One, 2, 3. 10 hours later, we're finally done building it, and it's really nice. My only concern is if you have big feet, then you're kind of not going to be able to fit your shoes in here. Like, ours barely fit. I'm a 9 and my husband's a 10, so we kind of just had to push them so they're nice and snug. It just depends on the type of shoe. Like, my Gazelles are fine, the Vans are fine, obviously these are fine, but when you have like a bulkier shoe, it's just harder for it to fit. We have our bulkier ones down here. I just don't know, we're like, is it squishing it if we put them in here? Probably not, right? I think we're just being overly cautious. These look so freaking dirty. I need to clean them. But yeah, there's 2 rows in each drawer. And then there's extra storage at the bottom if you need it, which I don't know why you would. Maybe if you have like a big family or something. This is how I decorated it. Cute, right? Because this used to be on our kitchen island and now it can go here. I feel like it just saves space. I love it.
Exhale, exhale, inhale, inhale, and exhale. Next time you turn off. Let's keep alternating for 6 more times. So always while your left leg out. Continue here for 8 more times. Exhale, final one. At the end of your exhale, lower your head.
We just finished our Friday Pilates class. I'm with my Pilates bestie. We just got to Trader Joe's and we're gonna get some flowers and take some cute pics, get some more TikToks, some cute content. I'm excited. OOTD.
Yes.
Love it. She's a neutrals girly.
Yes, all the neutrals.
I love how our
she's
aesthetics
the
are
pink
opposite.
Princess.
Yes.
Pilates princess.
Everything pink. Although I do want to get this set in blue, so I might do that soon. I got so many compliments on my outfit today. Every time I wear this.
Yeah, honestly.
People are so
We were
sweet.
literally talking, the lady's like, excuse me, stop talking. I need to tell you how cute your outfit is. I was like, dang, okay. No, but she is
I
super
know.
cute.
Like, you need this one in neutral.
I do.
We got our bouquets. This is mine. It was only like $25 or less.
Dude,
This
mine
is
was only
Mina's.
like $15 or $16.
So cute. She loves her sunflowers.
Yeah.
And this is our location. We're just gonna use this white wall to get some pictures with our flowers and some TikToks. Oh, that's so good.
Cute. Or Tinker Girls. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love that.
Okay. Oh, cute. Oh, yeah, thank you.
Oh, that's so pretty. Aww.
We're currently practicing a TikTok trend right now. It's just hilarious.
Hey, it's nice to practice in your
Right?
camera.
Oh, yeah, true. Like, we don't actually look that bad.
No, I don't think so either.
Okay, okay, I'm getting the beat now.
Yeah.
Oh, without dropping it. Ready? So fun. I'm back home now. I need to put my flowers in this water before they start to die. We were hanging out for a good 2 hours. We got so much content. I always have the best time with Mina. She just gets me. She's always down to create content, which I love. We didn't end up doing that dancing TikTok trend just because we were both so awkward. We were like, we don't typically make dancing videos for TikTok, so we just like did some other cutesy ones. Let's see if I can make this cute. Need to figure out how high I want these. I think that's good, right? Hey, babe.
Oh, princess. You romanticizing your life out here? Yeah.
How did you know?
Knew it.
What do you guys think? I just finished putting it together. I love how it came out. I love this color palette. It's just perfect. I feel like it could be a little bit better, but I just kind of get impatient when it comes to building my bouquet. I'm so happy with it, and for less than $25, you can't beat it. Happy Saturday. My hubby and I just came downtown to try a new pizza place out. It's our little lunch date. We haven't gone on a date since Valentine's Day, and we're really excited to try this new place because his colleague was raving about it. They have really good beer. It's a brewery, and they also sell pizza, so I'm excited to have one of their beers. It's called Trophy, so I know they have like a trophy wife that's really popular. But yeah, it has a cute little outdoor seating area. The pollen has been messing my husband up, so hopefully it's not too crazy. Otherwise, we'll have to sit inside. I eat so freaking slow. We each got 2 slices of each pizza, and I'm a little buzzed from my beer because we're not big drinkers. And my husband was like, which one's mine? And I was like, I think this one, but they're both mine. Neither of them are his because he eats so freaking fast. You already had your 4 pizzas. Happy Monday. It's a content day today. I already filmed this hairstyle. It's the viral pigtail sleek bun, and it's supposed to help you keep your middle part. I just put a bobby pin in the back so you can't see the part, but then I added a bow and I think it looks so much cuter. Plus it snatches your face to the gods. My face feels like I got a major facelift. Right now I'm about to film a OOTD TikTok shop video with these pants from Addicted. They have little bows on them. They're adorable. I wore this in the video that I created this hairstyle with, so I just changed into my PJs right now so I could do like a little get ready with me moment. And then after this, I want to create a couple more TikTok shop videos because my husband and I just took the weekend to rot. Yesterday was a total rot day. As you saw Saturday, we were out drinking, and it started out as a cute little pizza date, and then we went to meet up with a friend, and then after that we went and had another drink at our favorite restaurant called Bar Taco. We love that place. We haven't been there in a while. So it was a little hangover day yesterday, and we're back at it today. We did have some junk food yesterday. What do you guys think about these glasses? Because I'm like, are these gonna go with the vibe? You have to see the outfit first. Because right now they do look a little crazy, but I feel like these glasses will look really cute with these pants. I feel like it's gonna give a 90s moment. Maybe I'm wrong, but we'll see. I just finished filming this outfit. What do you guys think? I love it. I love how the pants are baggy and then the top is more tight, so it gives me a nice silhouette. These glasses are serving Y2K vibes, but I'm here for it. I feel like a cool girl. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. I had my Pilates class earlier today. I've just been filming and editing content per usual, but my Pandora ring finally came in the mail and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I just got done filming a TikTok. Isn't it just perfect? Because in the store they didn't have my size, so I tried it on this finger, but I just love it so much more on my middle finger. I think it looks so freaking beautiful. She was expensive, but I hope she's worth it. It comes with a 1-year warranty, so if anything happens, I should just be able to exchange it for a new one. I'm just gonna make sure to take extra good care of it. I have all of my hand jewelry on. I'm trying to do a better job of wearing my rings because I usually don't, especially because I'm either always at Pilates or at the gym. I always have my rubber ring on, but I put my jewelry on today and I just love how it looks. So cute. I love this hand chain. I don't want this vlog to be too long, so I'm gonna end it here and start a new one for next week. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.